Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to find articles you've read on Facebook by date using your PC. This is especially helpful if you want to revisit content you've previously explored. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open Facebook on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. A sub-menu will appear. Here, click on Activity Log. This is where you can manage and review your activity on Facebook. Once inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts. This will bring up a list of various post types associated with your account. Now, scroll down and click on Articles You've Read. This option will specifically filter out the articles you've interacted with, making it easier to find what you're looking for. At the top of this page, you'll see a button labeled Date. Click on it to open a date filter menu. Here, you can specify the time period for the articles you want to retrieve. Finally, after selecting your desired date range, click Save Changes. Facebook will now display all the articles you've read within that specific time frame. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and filtered articles by date on Facebook using your PC. It's a simple process that helps keep track of your reading history efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this guide with others who might find it useful.